Hey friends, today in this video I review on OnePlus 8T. Please watch this video till the end and please like this video and subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon for more interesting videos. Can it make up for the disappointing OnePlus 8? It's customary not to expect a T series a smartphone from OnePlus at this time of years. These phones generally have better features and tweaked design based on customer feedback and also simply to stay relevant. Still, the next generation arrives that might be more important than ever with his generation for the OnePlus 8 series, which launched earlier this year. OnePlus put everything it had into the OnePlus 8 Pro, leaving the vanilla OnePlus 8 feeling a bit bland in comparison. OnePlus has officially launched the 8T, which, as expect, the features a tweaked design and upgraded specification in an effort to make the non-pro versions more appealing. The brand is not refreshing the OnePlus 8 Pro review this year, which is fine if you ask me, since there is not a whole lot that needed changing. If you were disappointed by the OnePlus 8 and were holding out for the 80, showed you why it. Let's find out. OnePlus 80 design. The OnePlus 80 continues to feature an aluminum frame with a glass back, but the design is very different compared to the OnePlus 8. The sides of the display are not curved anymore, which makes the front look less striking, but it's definitely more practical. It's easier to see and interact with the content at the edges of the display. Plus, there is no vegetating effects, which is a typical seen on curved edge displays. The second thing I noticed is that the OnePlus 8T is heavier and thicker compared to the 8. The exact reasons are unclear, but this new model feels top heavy even without a case. Prolonged one-handed use can get fatiguing quickly. The new aquamarine green colorway looks great, and despite it having a glossy finish, fingerprints are not a big problem. The OnePlus 8T also comes in a lunar silver colorway, which is said to have a matte frosted finish. The camera module is the shifty to the left instead of being in the middle, and its rounded corner match the softer contours of the rest of the phone. OnePlus has made some subtle improvement to the display to its same size and resolution as that of the OnePlus 8 at 6.55 inches and full HD plus, but it no sports a 120 hertz refresh rate, just like the 8 Pro. OnePlus claims the touch sampling rate has also been bumped up to 240 hertz for better touch response. The display is also HDR10 plus certified and has a JNCD color accuracy rating of under 0.55, as well as maximum brightness of 1100 nits. OnePlus says the 8T has a slimmer since the display connector no bands behind the panel. I don't see much of difference when comparing the 8T and the 8 side by side. Finally, there is a cutout in the upper right left corner for the single selfie camera.